Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chicken legs. First, let's get our chicken ready. It's super important to clean and pat your chicken legs completely dry. This helps achieve that wonderfully crispy skin we all love. Next, season them generously with your favorite spices, like salt, pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. For an even deeper flavor, try a dry brine for at least 30 minutes before cooking. This simple step makes a huge difference in taste and texture. Now, let's talk about how to cook these beauties. Roasting is a classic choice. Set your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 40 to 45 minutes, flipping halfway through for perfectly tender meat and golden brown skin. If you prefer a smoky taste, grilling over medium-high heat for 25 to 30 minutes, turning often, works wonderfully. For a quicker, extra crispy result, try air frying at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. The secret to truly amazing chicken legs often lies in achieving that irresistible crispy skin and ensuring perfect doneness. Always use a meat thermometer to confirm the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit for safety. Remember, patting the chicken completely dry before seasoning and adding a light coat of oil are key steps for maximum crispiness. After cooking, let your chicken rest for 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, keeping the meat moist and flavorful. Finally, let's explore some exciting flavor variations and serving suggestions. Don't be afraid to experiment with different marinades. A zesty lemon herb or a bold spicy buffalo can completely transform your chicken legs. For a delicious sticky glaze, brush on your favorite barbecue sauce during the last 10 minutes of cooking. These versatile chicken legs pair wonderfully with roasted vegetables, creamy mashed potatoes, or a crisp, fresh salad, making them a perfect meal for any occasion.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.